Filipina from Philippines, Filipino. Of course, you are here living in America. And we're now in Colorado. Ayan, nangarig Amerika para mamasol. Oh my God! Hi guys, this is me here, Pinay RV Live. So now we are here at the Premiums. So we're just stop by here just to buy something like, because we're going for our D3 of fishing yet to the reservoir. So hopefully we can catch fish, and later I'm gonna show you, because we're gonna go there and do fishing. So at first we're gonna buy the license here for fishing, because that's their law here, that we need to have a license for fishing. All right, we'll see you. Yeah, it's a beautiful weather here today. It's morning, it's cool. Yeah, cool. Yeah, welcome to Fremont's groceries, showers, fishing tackle, ice cream, cold beer and ice, hamburgers, hot dogs. This is a general store. So this is the place we went last other day just to have for lunch. Yeah, so far so good, tastes good. So yeah, we'll see you later guys. We'll see you and have fun. So this is here the beautiful reservoir. It's really big though. So we're just passing here on this side. So we're gonna look for the entrance where we can go to the reservoir to do fishing. But this is not the way here. We just stop by here and just see the beautiful scenic view. Look at that. This is a reservoir, part of the reservoir where we do driving. It's really nice over here. So yan, napakaganda talaga ang lugar na to dito. Look at the beautiful place here in Colorado. Especially in this reservoir, you can do fishing, but you need to have a license. That's the requirement. Yeah. So I think only you can catch fish like 4 each of you. So per person, 4 fish per person. So I think if I can have license, I can catch only 4. That's the limit. So it's just for fun. If we can catch small fish, we just put it back. If we can catch the big one, we can take it. Of course, can cook it and eat it for dinner or whatever. Yeah, I love fish, especially this trout. Yeah, it tastes good when you cook, into the oven with like grilling or deep fried or whatever. Yeah, so hopefully we can catch fish later. So I'm gonna show you guys later, because we're heading to the gate where we can pass through this area here. Ayan, super ganda talaga siya. I enjoy a lot exploring here in Colorado. Even if it is just a short vacation, but I enjoy. This is my first visit here in Colorado, state of Colorado. So hopefully we can back next year and do camping in the campground. Yeah, it's nice. So ganun talaga. Panahon. I'll just keep filming while my husband is driving this truck. Yeah, because it's really beautiful though. Look at that. Maubos yung battery nito sa vlog. Char. Ayan guys, enjoy watching. I want to show you more. So that's the place, guys. Oh my god, that's a beautiful place here to explore, you know. Look at that. Wow, huh? It says here no overnight camping, just for fishing, you know. Yeah, you can just bring your boat if you want here, because there's a way, you know, going down this area, this side. Yeah, look at that there. Oh my god. Wow, amazing place. Wow ha, fishing din pag may time. Ayan, just to enjoy, guys. Oh my god. And the reservoir, so we do fishing today. So hope we can catch fish, guys. So I'm gonna show you, because it's a beautiful river here. Look at my husband is over there. They're sitting up, they're fishing red, and of course we have some, you know, cooler as well, so we can put some fish in there if we can catch fish today. So hopefully we can have for our dinner tonight. So hope you guys enjoyed this short video for me here in the Reservoir in Rio Grande. Of course, we are here in Colorado. This is part of our vacation trip. So hope you guys enjoy watching this short vlog. It's me here, Pinay RV Life, on the travel right now. So the kids now are just waiting until they catch fish. So while I'm here filming at the back, look at that. Wow, huh? Beautiful place. So yeah, this is the first catch, the rainbow trout. Wow, it's quite big though. So yeah, may pang-ulam na mamaya.
We
Char.
just keep in here for a while with a chain.
It's a good catch. Wow, huh? Good job, Timothy. Wow. He swallowed the hook. Oh my god. Oh. That's a good catch, huh? So ayan, nag-i-enjoy lang naman kami dito sa reservoir na ito, kasi nakikita namin yung mga fishing boat. Ayan, so nag-i-enjoy din sila fishing, and of course my kids, they are enjoying too. So ayan, so since the weather here is a bit hot, so we just stay there for 4 hours do fishing. And of course it's a bit hot, we stay under the sun, so I think we're good for that. So at least we have in total of 8 fish. We catch 8 fish for today. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the short vlog for today. It's all about fishing at the Reservoir here in Colorado at the Rio Grande Reservoir. Hope you enjoy, guys, watching this video. Alright, we'll see you. Bye.